Well, I was called in to do this recovery here, and as you can see, a little bit of damage. This is a Honda, and you can see the little bit of damage here, crunched up into the condenser. And even if it didn't damage the condenser, that condenser needs to be replaced, because what do you see? These are the notorious Hondas with the leaky condensers. See all those spots? Those are all leaks right there. And so even if he wasn't, he needs to get that condenser changed. It's under, if he's under the mileage and the time, because they extended it to a 100,000 mile warranty, that would be replaced. But right now, that's twisted and it's going to get replaced under the insurance claim. So that's all. Just really easy. I don't even have to look at the model of the car. You see that, you go, oh, look, it's a Honda. Because that's what Honda does to their customers. They give them leaky compressors, leaking compressors, leaking condensers, and leaking evaporators, and then deny them warranty for a few years so they can make the money and deny. All right, see ya.